Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can join a Google Classroom. This will be especially important for our virtual learners in our Hawks at Home program. So what you're going to do first is log on into your Chromebook, which when you do that, it already should sign you into your Google Chrome browser. So I'm going to go up here to the right-hand corner where I see all these dots. We call this our waffle. So we're going to click the waffle. And we're going to scroll down until we see Classroom. We're going to select that. Now, if we don't see it, we can always just type in Google Classroom into the search bar up here, and it should take us to a link where we can get here. Now, I notice that I don't see my Hawks at Home class. I do see a math class that I joined earlier, but I need to join the Hawks at Home program class. So I'm going to go up to the right-hand corner where I see this plus sign. I notice if I hover over it, it says Join Class. So I'm going to click that. Now, in the middle here, it says Class Code. Ask your teacher for the class code, then enter it here. So my teacher gave me my class code. It was 5CIYGNR. Now I notice after I got that typed in that up in the right-hand corner, this blue join button lit up. So now that I've got my code put in there, I'm going to click join. It might take a few minutes for it to let me in, but here I am. And I notice my teacher already posted an assignment, which I can find here under the classwork tab as well. But we'll be doing another video later about how we actually work in Google Classroom. So I'm going to go back, and now I see that when I first sign in to my Google Classroom, I do have my Hawks at Home class listed.